but my synthetic wig today. We have a major problem, Houston. Look. Oh, this is cute. I don't think about doing that. I'll probably do this today. I have to get this to match this. What am I gonna do? So I got this open and praying. I had this a long time ago, but I want to put it to use, see what I could do. So I'm gonna go ahead, like, test the strip, whatever, and then come back on and we're gonna talk about it and see. I'm gonna read the box.
Today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God.
Back bald again. That's not focus right now. Let's put this in there. So I'm just gonna open the coat at this side. So you're talking, flopping, probably copy another bit. Okay. I like I'm like, hope those out. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and test it out. Oh. Oh. Fuck. They need to fix that. That is dangerous. Get to get my damn clothes. But I have to see this little strip just to see. And we're trying to get it literally to that color. So is there like a specific weight size?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I don't know, maybe it's the placebo effect. I don't know.
Y'all, I keep checking it. My color is insight. Y'all, I cannot wait. I can't wait. I can't wait to like this for probably about like another 2 hours. As y'all can see, it is lighting up, and most of them.
See my hair going into that bucket.